Good evening, Atlanta. This is your boy James with another edition of the Socialite. Today we're here on Pride Day 3 at Urban Socialite Proud with Pride Sunday Social. And we're here with the artist Taj Infinity. She performed here at the Social Sunday today. So tell us, how did you get started in this music?
In this business or singing?
Singing. Is this your business singing or
This
you
is
do
my
more?
business.
Is this your business?
This is my business.
So how did you get started singing?
I've been singing my entire life.
Okay.
Since I was a little girl. I come from a family of 10. So we all sing. And moved to Atlanta, and I knew I wanted to be a solo artist. So I ventured out to the gospel. Tried R&B and then tried pop, and I was like, I think I like both. So that's how I became pop rock soul.
So how did you make the transition? Because I know that a lot of our artists didn't come from a gospel background. Did you get any flag from family members? Were they okay with you moving over to secular music like that? Or?
Good question. Actually, no. My brothers and sisters were very, very supportive. My friends were very supportive. But my mom is a bishop. So she was like, you're not saved, you're not this. So she wasn't pleased until she really saw that, you know what, I still love God. That the gospel industry is just that. It has nothing to do with my salvation and myself.
And what was the first song that you can remember that wasn't gospel that you sung for your mother?
I never sung her at all. Never.
So what were you performing when she first started singing?
She saw me in a play. And the song was an inspirational song. So that's probably the only person I probably would, tighten up around. But I have not yet performed in front of my mom R&B or anything outside of gospel. So when we go home, she have all of us, my brothers and sisters, singing gospel.
So if you could describe what type of music your style is?
Oh, it's a mixture of everything. It will be pop rock soul. If I can explain certain artists that inspire me. Growing up, you got, Tina Turner was for a long time. Janet Jackson was a long time, but Janet, Tina, now, Katy Perry, I love Katy Perry, Fergie, I love Brandy, I love, it's just those type of artists.
So even though you love them, is there one particular artist that you would love to work with or do a duet with?
Oh, Tina Turner.
Tina Turner?
Yes.
Now why Tina Turner?
I will pick Tina Turner because she's classic. Not because none of the artists are good enough, but because she's classic, and that would be like, I prefer to take her. Everybody else, I feel that I'm going to be performing with them already. But Tina, get it in, let the feel in.
So, where can our fans or individuals check you out? Do you have music posted somewhere? Is there a single out?
The single is coming. Right now you can still listen to some of my music at Taj Infinity. Taj, T-A-J, Infinity, E-N-P-H-I-N-I-T-I. You can Google me. No, but you can look me up Facebook, Twitter, Reverb Nation, YouTube, everything. If you go to my Facebook page, go to my Twitter, it'll kind of push you, even my website.
So where can they catch you in live? What's your next performance?
My next performance, I'm doing a show for myself, a big production show. So it will be at the end of September. So we will let you guys know. So please go look me up online and you will see the dates.
We want to say thank you so much first of all for coming out supporting Urban Socialite.
Thank you for having me.
You were great. I enjoyed the performance. Guys, if you haven't seen her yet and you didn't make it to the Sunday Social, make sure you check her out on those Facebook pages and then Twitter and her website. And she's going to give you further information on where you can catch her in your own concert.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
is here